What if you could create high-converting digital product images, mock-ups, and marketing visuals in seconds without hiring a designer? Today I'll show you the top 3 AI image generators that are changing the game for digital product creators. If you sell digital products like templates, ebooks, or online courses, these tools will help you create scroll-stopping visuals that actually sell. First is ChatGPT Image Generation, powered by OpenAI. This is the easiest option because you just describe what you want in simple text. You can create product mockups, digital ebook covers, social media ads, marketing visuals. The biggest advantage is speed and simplicity. You don't need design skills, just an idea. And because it understands context very well, it's perfect for beginners building digital products fast. Next is Leonardo AI, one of the most powerful tools for creators. This tool is best for high-quality product visuals, brand-style digital assets, concept designs, AI art for selling digital products. It gives you more control over style, detail, and quality compared to most tools. If you want your digital products to look premium and professional, Leonardo AI is a strong choice. Third is Canva AI, and this one is perfect for turning AI images into real products. You don't just generate images, you can edit designs instantly, add text and branding, create ebooks, posters, and social posts, turn ideas into ready-to-sell products. This makes Canva AI the best all-in-one tool for digital product sellers. So here's the simple breakdown. ChatGPT Image, fast and beginner-friendly, Leonardo AI. High-quality professional visuals, Canva AI. Best for turning images into sellable digital products. If you're building a digital product business, these 3 tools can literally save you hours of design work and help you create products that sell faster. Subscribe for more AI tools and digital product strategies.